For they are willing to at least show that they are willing to go one step forward in
Kisamla puli ka North Eastern Hill University hakasni balang kilarai ban pinsange no shwa shipor ya ka jingshah thngan ka balayat menta la khan riusngi kini karai ban pinsange shipor ya ka jingshah thngan ka de ka bla shim hadien ka jingkar pat jong ki nong hikai ki nong trei bat ki doctor bat ba pinchong nong rim ya ka jinglong jingman ka kwat ka khia jong ki samla ki ba shong sha thngan la khan riusngi Hindre kila pin benapat bagane kamut bagane NEHUSU bat ka KSU NEHU unit kan pinkut no ya ka jingeki habo ang bagajing ekhi kandang yai beteng hakisngi poya hakmat ko office u vice chancellor nadu ko por khandai beje min step hadu san beje janmit kisamla puli kila pintip ru bakin up menta ya ka inquiry committee bakan IT ya ka kaipot shaka ministry of education bade ki sinjam ki baka ministry kan shim shwa bakin shime ka rai ayu banne nangni shakman Kisamla puli kila yang scam hakajing dawa bade ben Weng no yo Professor PS Shukla kumu Vice Chancellor ka NEHU no Lord ben Weng kam yo Registrar but Deputy Registrar. Dagani kajing pensange shipor ya kajing shathan kisamla puli kin pai khmat menta shakiwei pat kilat jing ki kentup ya kajing shong klan mungor but yat pat ba. Ke ek ba mi na ka kaipot jong ka inquiry committee batung na ka Ministry of Education kan long ka ba kong san bha ya ke ek ba ka sinjam ba kisamla puli kin shim.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. Honorable Acting Vice Chancellor Professor N. Sana, dear teachers, my friends, and my beloved members of the student community. At the very outset, I would like to thank each and every one of you for having been given me this opportunity to raise your voice, to be the voice of the students of this particular university. It is with great pleasure and honor for me that I am here today, sitting here as your students' representative, having represented your voice to the most capability that we can, what we did from our side. It was indeed, we are indeed blessed for having such a vibrant student community, for being with us since the day one that we started this peaceful, indefinite hunger strike protest in our university. I need not say much about the problems that we face in this university. You all are the witness. You all have been giving your testimonials through various channels that can be circulated to the public at large, be it the Google forms that we submitted, or be it the meetings that we can do from time to time. I take this opportunity as well to thank each and every one of you, the teaching, the non-teaching staff, for always being with us, and also members of the civil society and different organizations for being with us, for showing solidarity towards this noble cause of the student union.